Ben's not here this week, so it's just Taylor and I doing the video.
I think this is the first vid Ben hasn't ever been in.
So we might get more views this time, I don't know. Or less, probably less. We'll see. What are you sniffling for, Kiwi, you dog? Oh, bro. We're going to go to a couple of lawns today. We'll go to mine, Taylor's. And we might also spray the kikuyu as well with some glyphosate again, just to get it ready for when we're going to do our cooch sowing next month. Let's get into it.
Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid.
Today we're out here at Taylor's house going to put some Acelepryn out, also some Dominate. So it's meant to rain later today, so hopefully we can just tie it in well, get some rain and water it in, otherwise Taylor will have to water in later tonight. But usually with Acelepryn you want to water it in straight away for control. Obviously for, what's it called? Armyworm, you want to water it after 24 hours because it's a knockdown for armyworm. We're going to go the rate of 1.5 kilos per 100 square meters. Going the high rate is going to give 6-month control for black beetle, any larvae that's going to pop up. So we're going to go high rate. And it's not too late now as well to put it down if you haven't. How'd you go?
Great. Just a tiny bit left. An email we get constantly. Can you apply Acelepryn on top of new turf or sprigs or whatever? Yes, you can. Go for it. Once you get it, put it out as soon as you can.
Yeah, save that turf. What we're doing now, we're going to put out some Dominate Mini at the high rate, so 3 kilos per 100 square meters. So this is 250 squares. So we're putting out 7.5 kilos over top of the Acelepryn, which this is fine to do. So he's got the kitchen scales. I don't know if he's allowed to do this, but
Yeah, don't tell me why.
yeah, what's the trick here with opening these bags?
With these things, because
There is a trick.
As a greenkeeper, I just got a knife most of the time. Oh no, it's this little.
Here we go. You might have figured this out.
It's the little newbie doobie.
Okay.
Do you pull the whole thing, or do you just want part of it?
I don't know. Oh, look at him go. He's figured it out. That is just amazing. Oh, wow. Nice. There's a tip for you. You can see the kikes actually come out of dormancy now. And hopefully we can kick along some of this area here and it just starts filling in.
I put some sprigs in over here the other day, well, probably last week. I think they've already taken.
Nice.
So the kike's coming along nicely, honestly. It's coming out of dormancy.
Oh, yeah. I like it.
Like they're pretty rooted down now.
Good job, mate.
Hopefully the Dominate will help spread that a little bit.
That's the idea. Puss.
Puss, puss.
We did do an Odessa application here. I think it was before I started actually. It's probably a little bit cool to be putting down Odessa, so we'll probably the next week or two, we'll probably put it out again just to kill some of this ryegrass and wintergrass that's in the lawn and some of these broadleaf weeds. Hey Tay, what's for lunch today?
I think I brought baked beans and noodles.
Guess what mine is?
Burrito.
Nutri-Grain.
So random. Did you at least have milk?
Ben might have some in his house. On to the next lawn. Now we're at Josh's house, my house. We're out here today, as Ben always says, and we're going to spray some, what are we spraying, Tay?
Coliseum.
Coliseum, because we used Odessa about 5 to 6 weeks ago.
Wow.
So, but it didn't kill everything because the weeds are so mature. So we're gonna get some of this wintergrass. Still a bit of ryegrass left. You can actually see there's some broadleaf weeds left as well, but I'm probably just gonna spray that with some bow and arrow, some Camber M in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Just because Coliseum will give it a good knock, changing the active up. So let's hope we can get this ryegrass out of here. This is actually Ben's Lawn Tips Mix ryegrass, or whatever you call it, and it's in the ground. Oh my gosh. So we're going to use Coliseum today. Am I in this? Who knows? Wintergrass, Poa annua, ryegrass. How do you say that?
Lolium SPP. I don't know what the SPP means.
Yep, anyway. So the rate we're going to go is 1.2 grams per 100 square metres. And the low rate for winter grass is actually 1 gram, but ryegrass is 1.2, so we're going to go 1.2. Safe on common cooch, hybrid cooch. Don't use it on buffalo or kikuyu.
Just sign it on dactylon.
Okay. Little trick. Let's break the seal. See that there? Turn it upside down. Works real easy.
Probably be easy if you didn't have got big red gloves on.
Oh, here we go. This is why it didn't work. Take off that perk, because that's going to be in the lid.
That's meant to be in the lid.
Here we go. Here we go, lads. Easy. So Taylor just found on the bottle here.
Yeah, it says on there, one heaped will be 1 gram. A level is 0.9. Finished spraying at Josh's house.
Woohoo. Not too sweaty today, but
No, it was actually a pretty nice day to do it. We'll see you at Ben's house. We're spraying the kikuyu. We're at Ben's now. So yeah, as you can see, the kikuyu been knocked pretty darn hard. The annoying thing though is kite can come back from this.
and you can see it has come back over here in spots.
Yeah, there are spots that it has come back. There's a lot of broadleaf weeds popping up too. That's just because when was the last time we sprayed? Like 2 months ago, more than that. So we'll knock them out too. As you can see, we haven't cleaned up since we did irrigation.
Whoops. Now this is a fair... I lost your dogs. You can see a fair bit of kikuyu coming up through here actually.
Yeah, just give it another hit with Roundup.
Spray it.
Thanks for tuning in this week, guys. Let us know in the comments if you like the video without Ben in it, and we'll keep him out of them from now on.
This is the first video, isn't it, without Ben?
I think so.
Well, thanks for tuning in, guys, like Taylor just said, didn't you, actually?
I did, but thanks again for tuning in.
Thanks
guys.
for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you watched it this far. Yeah, and hopefully Ben comes back.
Hopefully. so we don't have to do this every week.
Catch us.
Bye.